everyone, it's me Sannutha. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be telling you guys why being organized is important. Today, I have got 5 reasons to show you or to tell you why being organized is important. Let's get started. So the first thing is, being organized saves your time. I hope this is very common and you can easily understand that whenever you're organized, you can save your time easily. I have 2 justifications to show you how being organized can save your time. The first one is, whenever you're organized, you can easily find your things. This is so true because whenever we are unorganized and we are so cluttery in our home, we find it very difficult to find things. So you have to be organized so that you can find things easily and don't have to waste your time on finding things unnecessarily and getting frustrated. And the second justification is that whenever you're organized, you don't have to waste your time on buying the same things you already have. Because if we are unorganized and we are so cluttery in our home, sometimes we are not able to find things easily and we get so frustrated that we go and buy the same things that we already have and waste our time. So you have to be organized so that you don't have to waste your time on buying the same things you already have in your home and just getting so frustrated and waste your time again. And also, when we are organized, we can achieve many things in a very short period of time because, as I said you, it is very time saving and we can find things easily so that we can do something and achieve something in a very short period of time. And the second thing is, being organized reduces your stress, or we can also say that it boosts your energy. Studies show that people living in unorganized or very cluttered places are having a high cortisol level. Cortisol is a stress hormone which is released in our body, and people living in very cluttery and shabby places have more of these cortisol hormone produced in their body, which creates more stress for the body and for the mind. So it's better to be organized so that your cortisol level in your body will be less and you don't have to stress yourself and get frustrated and just spoil your health. As I already said, being organized always boosts your energy. Yes, it does. Because whenever we are in a shabby or a very cluttery environment, we find ourselves demotivated and confusing and sad and gloomy. But if we are in a very organized and a very clean and tidy place, we feel that we have to focus and do something for that day and it gives us some sort of joy. So it's always better to be organized so that you feel joyful and you can boost your energy and focus on things which you have to focus on that day. Nowadays, there's also a trend that people say that they find happy when they are in a very cluttery places. But I don't think that's true. It's only the thing that they're lazy to clean it up and become organized. So it's better you be organized and save your time and boost your energy and reduce your stress. And the third thing is that when you are organized, it also helps you to have better eating habits and better sleep. You might wonder, how does being organized help you to have a better eating habits and better sleep? But it does have impact on that. Studies show that the people who are in an organized place have a positive impact on what they eat, and people in a very clean and organized place are more likely to pick an apple, whereas people in a very shabby environment pick a chocolate, which is not healthy for us. So it's better to be organized and have a healthy diet and eat good. It's not that I hate chocolate. I too love chocolate. But it's that being organized always helps you to have a healthy food and have a healthy diet for your day and keep you fit and fine. As I said, it also helps you to have a better sleep. Yes, because if you're in a cluttery and a very shabby bedroom, or the place where you sleep is not good and clean, it's always said that you will be stressful and unknowingly you'll start losing your precious sleep and you will not have a very good sleep for that day. So it's always better to be organized so that you will always get a good sleep, and which indirectly or directly helps you to stay healthy. And the fourth thing is that being organized can help you to reduce the risk of cardiovascular event. Yes, I was also surprised and shocked to hear that being organized can help you to have a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. But as per Reader's Digest, it is said that people living in organized place always have a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes and any other problems related to our heart. A Swedish study also found out that people who organize and keep themselves clean and their surroundings clean and tidy always have a 30% lower risk of heart attacks or strokes and other problems related to heart. So it's better, guys, you also be organized yourselves and keep your environment organized so that you can reduce the risk of heart attacks and anything related to heart which can cause your health problem. And the fifth thing is that being organized can increase your productivity. Yes, it's 100% sure that the more you're organized, the more you have your productivity in your day. As I had said you in my previous video, the more you're organized, the more productive your day becomes. Yes, as I said you all these 4 reasons now, that it saves your time and it also helps you to reduce your stress, boost your energy and all those things. All these complies and comes together to make your day more productive. Yes, because when you save your time, you work more and focus more on things which you have to, which makes your day more productive. So overall, I can easily say that being organized always helps you to increase your productivity. So be organized, increase your day productivity and be yourself happy and make yourself happy. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you like this video and give this video a thumbs up if you liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my content. Thank you.